I need to, yes.
ma ei negistanud.
FC Levadia Paide linnameeskonna mängueelsele pressikonverentsile. Meiega on siin Kuro Torres, Felipe Felicio Levadiast, Ivan Stoikovits ja Andrei Frolov Paidest.
Ivan, first of all, how is the healthy situation in the team?
Daniel Moringen is still out because of injury that he got game against Tartu.
So for me, Paide is a very good team, and I think they know good result, but good play, good rendiment, but it's possible a little bit details is for possible more points.
Also, we need to understand that we Levadia Flora, we have really difficult schedule, a really packed up schedule, and I think it's not fair, but we need to adapt to it. Before Tameka game, 60-70 hours before that we play against Flora, and Tameka didn't have the midweek game, so I think this is also one of the reasons. Now our game, I think we controlled everything until the goal that we conceded. Then of course energy goes down. We also need to be responsible for some of the things, but we are very calm.
No excuses, no alibis for everybody. From me, from them, for you. We are going out like warriors today, and we need to show who we are, okay? Second balls again, our main aim and our final aim is, it's been only 2 months of the season. November is very far. We can do a lot of things until then. What I want from you, what I want from myself, I came here not just to be one of the guys. I want to be the best, and I really hope that you want also. Okay? Come on, guys, let's go.
Kaitset teha, mida teha, aga muidu nagu...
Seda ajal veits reaalne meeskonna küünel. Me reaalne kostab ka väga kehvem minu meelest oli teist.
Kas ma tulen peale Rovi?
Ei, ka Eesti numbriga auto. Patrick Soop, jah?
Nice action, rest, on the way back, go backwards, other side as well. Joke on the way back.
Ta suudab põlve peale. Kes sa selle üldse mõtles, et ei tohi põlve peale?
Edgars, what's gonna be the score of today's match?
There's only one outcome that we will accept. The 3 points are us.
Can you put the scoreline down as well?
I'll keep that. Let's keep an element of mystery. We know that we will win. We know that we will take 3 points with us, but we'll keep the rest as a bit of a mystery. But you know that all of Latvia is behind you as well today.
Super, we'll take it. Tervist!
Tere!
Selline lihtne küsimus teile, et mis jääb tänase Levadia versus Paide mängu seis?
No nagu ma juba ennem ütlesin, siis 3-2 Paide võidab.
Sobib, tänud teile!
Aitäh!
Nii, nagu näha, siis Levadia toetaja. Küsin lihtsa küsimuse. Mis jääb tänase mängu seis?
4-4.
Ma vist ei hakka küsima, et kummale poole see läheb. Selge, head mängu! Aitäh! Tuleb väike miniatuurne intervjuu. Kristoffer, täna sa oled küll vigastatud kirjas, aga küsimus sulle on lihtne sellega poolest. Mis jääb mängu seis?
2-0. Mõlemal poolel 1.
Meile ma loodan, jah? Ikka. Sobib. Tõni, come here. Predict the score for the match.
1-3. Paide.
1-3 Paide?
Yes.
Okay, we'll take it. How far away are you from getting back to your best health? When are you back on the pitch?
Real soon, really soon.
Okay, super.
tornade asjad välja. Meie vahe on nii suur kogu aeg. Me kolmega saab olla. Teil on
Good as them, you're as good as them, and then Larsen is taking the ball to our 4 players again. Everybody, we need to be a team today. We need hard workers. Hands down, I'm proud of you, proud of you. Again, we need to learn from this. But I don't want to see heads down. You fighted, you were there, you didn't let them to think that they can win so easily. We made a step forward. It's not enough, but we made a step forward. And I don't want to see heads down. We played a good game. I'm always behind you when you play these kind of games. I saw a team who wants to fight. I saw the team who don't give up. And when it's like that, long term, everything is gonna be okay. I want to see heads up from tomorrow. Okay, guys, come on, come on, come on!